Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert tickmark symbols in Google Slides. So guys, here I have taken some one blank slide. So I have to first insert the text. Just insert any text here. Okay. So now if you want to insert tickmark here, okay, here you can see this is bullet points. Okay, you can use, but if you want to insert tick mark or tick symbol, go to the insert, go to the special character. First keep the cursor where you want this tick mark or tick symbol, and go to the special character, and here you can just draw this tick, then all tick mark will become up. Now you can just choose, this tick mark will be insert. Okay, you can also search from here, check like checkbox. Here you will see all type of checkbox here. Okay, so you can insert like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.